Hi, this is Marty again from the Dougherty Garden. Right now we're looking at what is commonly referred to as the desert rose. This is the red version. Let me see this. Take it back. There may be a pink version. The signs, birds took all my signs off. As long as I put them on between the birds, raccoons, and everything else that visits the garden. I have no idea who's ripping my signs off, but they're gone. In the meantime, these both are desert rose plants. And the reason I'm pointing them out is that I was in the process of cleaning out certain areas of the garden, fertilizing, removing weeds. As you can see, there's a ton of weeds in the grass, but I gave up on that last year. We'll get around to that one day, but I just want to show you my desert rose. And what caught my attention was the fact that it started to bloom, started to get a little growth, and here's some flowers. I believe this is the red one, but I won't know for sure until they actually bloom. So I gotta fertilize, clean up, and do what I had to. And let me just take a look. I think I got another one over here. Third one. This is my little reluctant desert rose. Over 2 years, it just blooms. No flowers come out of it. Let me just get some of this little old leaf off. But this is a desert rose, so I'll show you the 3 plants that I have. And I still haven't found a trick for covering all the weeds that come in the bottom of the plant. I'll get something that'll use for soil covering to stop the weeds from growing. One day we'll master that one. But what I wanted to show you was, let me put this on hold for a second, is my baby desert rose, which I found last year. And I said, oh, that's nice. Look at those little darlings. Yeah, so there's 2 desert roses, and I believe this could be the red version, but like I say, right now, I only have red and pink, so right now, I noticed when I was cleaning out the weeds, and I saw the sign, I said, oh, this is cool. I have babies here, and everything looked cool, and they just looked like that, little tubular trunks, and I says, oh, those are desert roses. That's the 2 I got last year, so thank you for stopping by. I'll show you how they're progressing growth over time. And this is my heavy. I'm cleaning this over here, getting the area a little bit. I eventually will get a video on each and every one of the plants. I literally have over 100 or 200 plants that are growing in the garden, but right now we're concentrating on the desert rose and my little babies. So thank you for stopping by. Like the video, any particular plant that interests you, let me know, and I'll let you know if I have one, and I'll make a video of it. I'll let you know about my experiences. So thank you for stopping by. Take care, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Bye-bye.